Hi, welcome to Fentronix and the Man Shed. I thought I'd just introduce you to Fentronix because we're pretty new to YouTube, but business has actually been around about 15 years or so. We started out incredibly small. I'd actually made a handful of MIDI cables for someone, and I thought I'd just throw them on eBay and see how that went, and actually went surprisingly well. So I decided to then create a whole bunch of other little gizmos, which have been used all over the place, really, all over the world, and so that's been pretty good. But basically, recently I'd started to offer repairs, and so basically we're not putting any particular restrictions on that. It's if it's electronics, we'll have a look at it. So with that in mind, probably going to show you some repair videos here and there, and might do some reviews, possibly some tutorials, and possibly take you through some of our products that we sell as well, some of which I'll probably link to in the description, and hopefully you'll see some interesting content. But that's us basically. So I hope you'll keep looking out for our videos, and we'll try and keep it as interesting as possible. But if you have anything that you'd like us to take a look at, or anything you'd like to learn about, then drop us a line, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks.